In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a writing prompt in WordPress. This process is quick and straightforward, and you'll have your writing prompt ready in just a few minutes. Whether you're a seasoned blogger or just starting out, adding a writing prompt is a fantastic way to foster creativity and encourage engagement on your site. Let's dive right in. First, you need to head over to wordpress.com, open up your web browser and type in the URL. Once you're on the homepage, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're not already used to it. You'll notice that even if it's been a while since you've used it, WordPress retains its user-friendly interface, making site management as smooth as ever. Now look for the login button, which should be in the upper right corner. Click on it to proceed to the login page. Promptly you're presented with several ways to sign in, but for this tutorial we'll focus on continuing with Google. Click on Continue with Google. When you select this option, you'll be directed to a new window that lists all the Google accounts linked to your browser. Choose the appropriate Google account you want to use by simply clicking on it. This step will bring you back to the WordPress dashboard, provided your credentials are correct. If you're logged in successfully, you should find yourself looking at your site's dashboard. This is where all your creative ideas take form. On your dashboard, you'll see a section marked Quick Links on the right side. Look for the option that says Edit Site and click on it. This will shift you into the site editing mode where all the magic happens. Here you can adjust your site's design, add posts, and most importantly for this tutorial, add new elements like writing prompts. Focus your attention on the top left corner of the page. See the Add button? Go ahead and click on it. Doing so will enable you to add a new block to your page. Blocks are integral to WordPress design, allowing you to modularly add and rearrange content on your site. Once you've clicked on Add, a search box will appear. Type in the keywords writing prompt. This search identifies and narrows down all relevant blocks that match your search criteria. The final step is a breeze. From the search results, locate the writing prompt option, click on it, and just like that, your writing prompt feature will be added to the site's content area. Congratulations, you've successfully added a writing prompt to your WordPress site. Having this feature can enrich a blog by providing fresh topics to discuss or inspire interaction among followers who respond to the prompts. Remember, WordPress is a diverse platform with many creative tools at your disposal, so feel free to explore and make the most of them. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Happy blogging!